Now here's a light, fair food recipe that's simple and delicious. I'll be using garlic scapes in this recipe. These are the tender stems and flower bud of a garlic plant. When eaten raw, they are almost or as strong as garlic itself, but blanching them over a period of time will decrease the strength in that garlic taste. In this recipe, I blanched the garlic scapes for about 4 minutes. It actually had a light hint of sweetness. I'm also using smoked brisket, sliced onion, some cheese like cheddar, Havarti or Swiss, half a cup of each, parsley, half and half, and for this I also made a crustless quiche, so I used a total of 300 ml of half and half and about 12 garlic scapes, 4 whole eggs, and 1 deep dish pie shell. Make your own or get one at the supermarket in the frozen aisle. I will begin by sauteing the onions. You can caramelize them to your desire, but I'm just going to get a light color on them. Then we'll lightly whisk the 4 eggs. I've chopped up the garlic scapes, left out the buds, sliced the brisket. You can also use deli meats, grated the cheese and chopped the parsley. If using a frozen store-bought pie shell, follow the directions on the box for thawing, docking and par baking. I used a fork for mine and baked it for 10 minutes in the oven and allowed it to cool, and this is done before I fill in or layer the ingredients. Mix the half and half with the eggs, and now let's begin layering the quiche. I feel that layering the ingredients will help balance the amount of the variety in the pie by not all clumping up in one place, using the weight of the ingredients evenly distributed on the surface of the pie and between layers when adding in your cream and egg mixture. And so, in a pie shell, getting every ingredient in every bite. So far the layering: onions, meat, garlic scapes, parsley, and now I'm adding the cheese. Slowly pour in the custard. This is the egg and cream mixture. I'll finish this off with parsley, scapes, and a little more cheese. Remember to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to make the crustless version of the quiche. Same thing, layer them, all the ingredients, slowly pour in the custard, and as I said, in the meantime, preheat your oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll be using the middle rack of the oven. This will go into the oven now, and we'll be right back. So the quiche took about 20 minutes to bake. Insert a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it's good. If your crusts are browning a little too fast, you can cover the edges with foil to stop it from turning darker. But it's beautiful. I hope you give it a try. Something that you can have anytime: picnics, lunch boxes, light lunches, or dinner. Majid's Kitchen is all about sharing and creating restaurant quality meals at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.